Hello, welcome to the first module of this course. Basically, this course comprises four modules, that is, four comprehensive videos that make up this course. So, this is the first one. I created this module specially to introduce you to the smartphone graphic design application. I want you to understand the tools and how everything works out, basically. Now, do not skip this video, or do not skip this video. Do not skip any aspect of this video, because this video will determine if you would actually learn what this course is offering you. You understand? So this video is to introduce you to the tools in the application and how to use them, because by the time I'll be teaching you how to design flyers and all, you would not get confused because you already know how the tools work. That is why I'm creating this particular model for you to understand it. So, without any further ado, let us proceed. So now, if you're opening PixelLab for the first time, this is what it looks like. It has a very simple interface, very simple application, but this application can actually do magic, can actually do nice things when it comes to designing the graphics with your smartphone. So, now, when designing with your smartphone, when designing with this application, the basic things you are doing is modifying your background, inserting shapes, pictures, elements, changing colors, using fonts. So basically, I want to show you how to use tools to do all those things, the basic tools that can help you do all those things. So first of all, to change the background, you just need to come to this part, this icon right here, choose color, click on this option, then scroll, choose the color you want. That's it. So right now you have modified the background. Let me say you want to use a pure white background to make your design. That's it. So just like we chose white, you can choose any color you want, any color for your background, any color. But basically all these colors, they seem like they are not so useful. You can actually choose your own color. So for instance, let me say I want to use a deep blue color for my background. What I'll do is I'll come to this option, this plus option, click on it, and then I'll modify my own color, create my own color. To do that, you carry this tool here. I'll drag it to this part, and then I click on OK. So you can see that the color is too sharp. So I actually want a deep blue color. So I'll still modify it. Click here, and then I'll drag this to this part where I have the deep blue color, and then I'll click OK, and then you can see my deep blue color. Understand? So that is it for the background. Now let me say you want to insert shape, or no, you want to insert pictures. You click on this plus sign right here on the top of the screen, at the top of the screen rather, and then you click on from gallery, and then you scroll wherever your image is. Let me say this image. I'll choose this image. So this is the image I want to use. Let me say I want to use this image for my design. So that's how you insert an image into your design. See, that's how it works. um Now, don't get lost, don't get it twisted, don't get confused. In this video, I'm not designing anything. I'm only introducing you to the tools, the basic tools you can use when making your design. So I've shown you how to use your background. I've also shown you how to insert image or any element you want to use. For instance, if you are not using image, for instance, you want to insert like an icon, a location icon, or an Instagram icon, or something else. That's the same way you insert it, the same way you inserted this picture. So for text, of course, when you are designing, you use text. To use text, you click on this icon, and then you click on text. Then you click on edit, and then you write the text. So let me say graphic design. Click on OK. Then you use your hand to drag it to wherever you want your design to be. So that's it. So let me teach you how to, modify your text and make it look good. Right now, the text looks somehow, doesn't make sense. So come to this tool that says align. If you want to align your text, and then come to this option that says font. If you want to change the font of your text, I like this font, so this is what I'm going to use. You can see it's making sense. That's how it happens. Um, Basically to insert, change fonts and all. So this is how it is for text. So let me say I still want to modify my text a little bit. I want to add shadow. I'll just come to this option that says shadow, and then I add shadow to the background of my text. You can see, choose the color of the shadow you want to add, but I'm just showing you this, I'm not using it. um so that's it for the text. So if you want to add shape to your design, you click on this icon right here, you click on shapes, and then you click on this tiny icon right here, and then you choose the shape. So I want to say I want to use circle, and then you click on OK, and that's how you can also change the color of your shape. Understand? Any color, and also you can modify it if you want to, just like I did to the background. So but I want this shape to be white. So let me just choose white. Now I want to position this shape behind this image, behind this guy smiling. So what I do is I choose this option that says to back, this option right here. If I click on it, this shape goes to the back of the guy. You can see how that works. You can see how that works. So yeah, that's it. You can see how. So basically I'm showing you the background, how to do that, the text, the shape, how to insert image and all. I think what other basic thing do you need to know? Basically there are other advanced options, and I believe I would show you all that while we get into the main tutorial. But basically I just want you to get familiar with the simple tools you use for the design. Basically that's just what I want you to get acquainted with. So if you want to save your design, you click on this option and you choose save as image, and then click save to gallery, and then it's saved to your gallery. Or you can click save as project. If you click save as project, it means you are saving the design as project on this application, so you can always go back to it and make some changes if you want to. So now that I've saved it as a project, I can come to this part that says my project, and then look at all the past projects I have saved, all the designs I've saved on my phone on the application. So look at the project right here that we're working on. So that's it for it. So now when making your design, if it's a basic design like this, like maybe a simple e-flyer, this is the shape, this is the size of the image you use, this square. But let me say you want to make something like a YouTube thumbnail or a YouTube banner. There are special customized design, special customized image sizes, picture sizes for that. So you click on this icon right here, and then you choose image size, and you choose custom, and then you can see we have header size, Google Plus, cover photo, Facebook art, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner, and all. So if I click on YouTube banner, you can see it reduces it to the size of YouTube banner. But I just want to show you that that's not what I'm doing in this video. I just want to show you basically. So that's it. Now there's something you also need to know about the background. Let's just assume you don't like any of the color, you don't want to use a plain color for a background, you want to use like an image for the background. It's simple. All you have to do is come to this option, click on use image from gallery, and then you select the image you want to use. So for instance, let me say there's this image I want to use. Let me look for it. Let me say this image. can see. So you can see what I just did. So that's it for the background, you know. Yeah, so I think we've come to the end of this module. I've just introduced you to some of the basic tools that you should need to make your designs in this application called PixelLab. So that's it. So I think from the second module 2, that's when I'll be showing you how to make designs. So that's it. So if you actually watch this model from the beginning to the end, I need to congratulate you because you are just a step ahead. You're actually progressing compared to someone that actually didn't follow this tutorial. So that's it. We're done with this module. I think you should go to the next module now.